Hey guys, in this full 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to disconnect or completely remove an account from QuickBooks Online. Fast and easy. First, log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Go to Settings and then Chart of Accounts. Find the account you want to remove. It could be a bank, credit card, or other financial account. Click the drop-down arrow next to the account and select Edit. If you just want to disconnect the bank feed, click Disconnect this account on Save and then Save and Close. To completely remove an account, click Make Inactive. This hides it from reports and your dashboard without losing historical data. For accounts you want fully deleted, make sure there are no transactions linked, then select Delete if available. Always double-check before deleting. Disconnected or inactive accounts can be reactivated later if needed. And that's it. Your account is now disconnected or removed in QuickBooks Online 2025. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick QuickBooks tutorials.